Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the beautiful, beautiful island of Sunset Beach, North Carolina in Brunswick County. Today, we are out on this gorgeous stretch of beach, and we are at the Kindred Spirit mailbox. This mailbox is famous. What happens is residents and visitors from all around come to this particular spot, and they write down their prayers, their dreams, their requests, their desires, and they actually leave them in this mailbox. I actually have a gratitude list that I made today, and I'm going to leave it in the mailbox. It is a beautiful place. It's a special place. It's very peaceful and pristine here. If you come and visit this area, you may decide to make it your home. I know I did. And if you would like to have some additional information about Sunset Beach, my name is Karen. My number will be on the video. Give me a call. Thank you and have a beautiful day.